Hello, my name is Jose Sinojosa, and today I will be teaching you how to create multiple Google Classrooms. Let's begin. So the first step, you would like to go ahead and create a tab with Google. And once you're here, make sure that you're signed into your account. So I'm going to double check. Here is my account. Next, I'm going to click on the Google Apps button. Search for Google Classroom. Once you've located, go ahead and click on it, and it will be taking you to this menu. Go ahead and click Got It. And so you want to go ahead and first locate this plus button. It says Create or Join a Class. So go ahead and click on the plus sign, Create Class. You're going to click the checkbox, click Continue, and this is where you will create your first classroom. So we're going to put Mr. Hinojosa's example classroom number 1. Section, we're going to put CTE. Subject, educational technology. And then if you have a classroom, in this case I don't, I'll just make one up. We're going to do room 101. Go ahead and click Create. Now it's thinking, creating, and there's your example classroom number 1. So now that you have one Google Classroom, we're going to create another one. So go back to the home button right here, click on home, then you're going to go back and click on the create button. Go ahead and click create a class. I have read, click the checkbox, continue. Now we're going to do the same thing, repeat the process. Mr. Hinojosa's example classroom number 2. Section CTE. Subject educational technology. Okay, there you go, zoomed in. And room 101. Go ahead and click create. Now it's thinking, creating, and there is your example classroom number 2. You can go here and verify that you have your multiple classrooms. So go ahead and click on the first one. There you can verify this is example classroom number 1. Click on the second one, example classroom number 2. Go ahead and click on home, and then you have your example classroom right here, and there's number 1. Click on home, and here are your multiple classrooms. Thank you.